Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this new shotgun I just got. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Well, I'm just going to show you guys how it shoots. Okay? So, it has 3 settings, and the first one is the pump action. And you can put it on pump action. So here's some shots. Just a normal shotgun. Then there's another new addition is actually you can put it on semi-automatic. So you only have to cock it once, which is right. Yeah, now it's on. Okay. So semi-automatic is this. Just a couple shots. So yeah. Now there's a new feature that is called the fully automatic, which is kind of cool because it's actually really cool. That's someone bad. Alright, yeah. So this is the fully automatic feature. That was a little bit more kick than I was expecting. Yeah. But that's the shotgun for you. Hang on. Let me get a little bit more prepared this time for the automatic.